welcome back to episode 23 of the Tyreman Unplugged, your go-to podcast for everything related to the world of tires and automotive innovation. I'm your host Kenny Lim, and today we've got some fantastic stories lined up for you. From a global sports marketing partnership to the latest in electric vehicle tires, there's a lot to unpack. So let's get started. Let's kick things off with some exciting news from the world of sports and business. Linglong Tire has announced a strategic partnership with the legendary football club Real Madrid. This global alliance marks a significant step in Linglong's effort to boost its international presence. By teaming up with Real Madrid, one of the world's most recognized sports brands, Linglong is looking to elevate its brand profile on a global stage. The partnership is set to bring a variety of innovative sport marketing activities, engaging fans across the globe. As Linglong's CEO Wang Feng put it, this collaboration is a new starting point for their international growth and development. Next up, we've got some exciting tire news from Yokohama. The company's BluEarth-Van RY55 tires are now being factory equipped on Honda's new N-Van E mini electric vehicle. This marks a major milestone as it's the first fuel-efficient tire dedicated specifically for vans under the BluEarth brand. The tires are designed to offer superior wear resistance and excellent wet grip, essential features for the commercial EV sector. With these tires, Yokohama is combining durability with efficiency, making them perfect for the demands of modern electric vans. Honda's N-Van E is set to launch in Japan this October, equipped with these state-of-the-art tires. In the high-performance corner, Hankook has been selected to supply their Ventus S1 Evo Z ultra-high-performance tires for the new electrified BMW M5. This 7th generation BMW M5 with its 727 PS hybrid drive system requires tires that deliver exceptional handling and grip both on the road and the racetrack. This specifically matched Ventus S1 Evo Z does just that, with precise steering responsiveness and low rolling resistance for enhanced fuel efficiency. After 3 years of development, Hankook has created a tire that perfectly balances performance with comfort, ideal for the legendary driving dynamics of the M series. That wraps up another episode of the Tyreman Unplugged. From Linglong's Tires global partnership with Real Madrid to the electrifying developments in tire technology from Yokohama and Hankook, it's clear the world of tires is always evolving. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media for all the latest updates. Thanks for listening, and until next time, stay safe.